Thank you for watching episode 3. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe. On this episode, we're going to take you from the great state of Texas to the wonderful state of New Mexico, but not until we visit our favorite store, Buc-ee's. You want to get some of that good jerky instead of the jerky we just got? The other jerky we had was disgusting. Let's see, cheese. Oh, chocolate mousse or fudge, whatever that is. And it's pretty good too, that stuff you always get. Do you see it? I want some pecans. Made it to our destination, late night, but we're here. So let's see if it's open. Said it closes at 7 o'clock, but we will see. Whew. Okay, awesome. So we're gonna get some sodas before the night is over with because they're already closed. So she's been a blessing to us and showing us what they have, and hopefully we can get some stuff tomorrow. Nice. All right, we made it safely to Moardi, New Mexico, right? Am I saying that right? Moardi. Okay, so we are outside of a brewery. I'll put the name of it right down here. Let me see if it's on the box. So it's not on here, but we're at Sierra Blanca Brewery in New Mexico. And so we came in late after it closed, but the beautiful young lady in there gave us 6 different sodas to try. That was definitely favor because I wanted to get something for the boys to try while we were here. And yeah, she blessed us with that. So let's see what flavor she gave us. Okay, so the first one is real cane sugar, Route 66 soda, and that's a lime soda.
A lime?
Lime.
That sounds good.
Okay, we'll see. And then the next one is an orange soda. Kale love orange soda. Is it true? And the next one is black cherry. Curious about how this. Oh, look how nice this comes out.
He said apple juice.
It's not apple juice. This is a cream soda. And so they make all of their sodas locally. So I'm excited to try it out. We got some leftover chili from yesterday when we were in Texas. So we're going to warm that up. I'm going to make some cornbread first, and then we're going to give these things a toast. If you haven't seen my last video, please go back and watch it. But I think that this is the best cornbread in the history of cornbreads. And, you know, besides what Mama them do in the kitchen, a boxed cornbread, this is the best to me and the rest of the crew. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Huh?
Here we got leftovers. Bowl completely empty. Let's watch Abbott and let's relax and sip on some of these sodas. Enjoy New Mexico. Oh, okay, y'all. What's the first one we're trying?
Ethan.
Ethan Wade. Oh my God.
Ethan already, man. Ethan? Okay.
Okay, what are we trying? Got the giggles out. So what are we trying now?
Black cherry. Black cherry's the first one.
Black cherry. Let's go.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
No. I'm not gonna play with them. What is so funny?
No, I'm done.
Okay, black cherry, let's go. Ooh, that's good.
That's real good.
What he did?
Ethan, drink it first.
They got the giggles. Oh my goodness. That's one thing I love about RVing with these boys, man. I'm not gonna do this. I'm just gonna drink my soda and get my business. I'm gonna mind my, just drink my soda and mind my business. What do y'all think about this? Black cherry.
It's good.
Dad, what do you think?
It tastes like it tastes like cream soda.
Cream soda, baby?
That's it.
It tastes like cream soda.
Cream one finna taste. I don't know what the cream one finna taste like.
Okay, let's try the next one. We got next, Henry?
We got lime. We got lime soda.
Let's do it.
Ooh. Lime soda. Why you got his cup out? He could get some. Just a tad bit.
How you doing, man?
Oh my gosh, that was
Oh,
funny.
this must
He double back.
Next soda, our next soda is the cream soda. Everybody, our next soda is the cream soda. Bottoms up, y'all.
That went to my nose. Why did you do that, Ethan?
How's the cream soda, y'all? It was good. It was good.
It's kind of flat. I
Yeah.
would give that like a 6.
That was 5.
6 out of 10.
5.
Oh, it was a 5.
I'll say this is the second best. I'll take that.
Second best, baby.
Yeah, I'll take that
Cherry.
blackberry, the cherry.
Oh,
Yeah,
Dad,
cherry.
you bugging.
lime
What happened?
then cherry.
What
Take lime first,
Yes or no?
orange last.
Oh,
No, the lime last.
Yeah, you better get kicked out the RV.
right.
The lime last.
Walk to our next destination, man.
The blueberry, blackberry
Yeah,
cherry.
The black cherry?
Yeah.
Black cherry?
cherry, yep, that's first. I'm a cream soda. I love cream soda. This will be second.
That tastes so nasty. That's just like,
I
it don't
can
taste
taste it all
nasty, but
Just
I wanted a little bit more carbon.
Yeah.
Like carbon's not that much.
How you think it was, Henry?
Carbonation.
Personally, if I had to rank them, I think the black
That's
cherry.
what I want you to do, right?
Okay. I think the black cherry. Black cherry would be first. Lime, orange, cream. That's the best
You said
ranking.
what now?
I said black cherry, lime, orange,
I say lime,
cream.
black cherry.
Cream
I would
last?
say
Cream
I'm
last.
gonna cream you.
okay.
So thank you guys for joining us on our vlog today. We look forward to taking you to our next state, which will be Arizona. So we're going to get some rest. Make sure you like, you comment down below. Have you ever been to New Mexico? If you have, where were you in New Mexico? What was your favorite city in New Mexico? If not, let us know, would you like to come to New Mexico? All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.